Hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita back with another video. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about the 5 credit cards that won't deny you. So they're not even checking like what your credit score is at all. Like they don't care at all. So if you got very, very bad credit, you have a great chance of getting these credit cards. But I don't want to waste any time. So let's go right on into it because I have to go get my baby. So let me show you these credit cards. Now, the first credit card that I have on the list is Open Sky. Now, Open Sky will approve anybody. I don't care if you just filed a bankruptcy today. Like, it don't matter. They have a credit card here for you. Now, understand that it will have an annual fee of $35, but this one is a great one, especially for those people, like I said, that had bankruptcy or you just messed up on some of your other credit cards. This is a great credit card. So I definitely suggest that people check this one out. Now, the next one is the Credit Builder card. Now, the Credit Builder card, I still love this card because it reports to all three credit bureaus. It's no credit check at all to get it, and you only have to put a $200 deposit down on it. So if you guys are trying to build your credit again, this is great because they're not going to necessarily check your credit. So definitely check out this credit card. And if you guys ever have any questions, please put them down below in the comments. Make sure you guys are subscribed because I'm only really answering comments from subscribers right now. I'm trying to make sure I answer every comment that I ever got throughout my whole channel. So if you guys are not subscribed, I'm not even seeing it. I'm sorry, but I just want to make sure I make that commitment to those who subscribe to me. So make sure you guys are subscribed. Now, the next one is Kickoff. Now, I say I don't like Kickoff like that, but listen, Kickoff can still put a $750 account on your credit report. Yes, you're going to have to pay $5 per month for it, but it will report, but it usually I only see it reporting to 2 bureaus. Sometimes it don't report to that third bureau. It don't report, it will only report to 1 bureau sometimes too. I have seen that. So I want to make sure I let you guys know that so you can understand that fully. Now, still try it out. See if you like it, you guys. It can still report to the credit bureaus, like I say, which is what you really want. Um, you want it to report to the credit bureaus. You do have to pay the $5 per month. It's not really a credit card either, you guys. Just think of it as you paying $5 per month for somebody to report a $750 account to your credit reports. That's it. And this is the thing. Sometimes it's only going to report to 2 bureaus for sure. They only got 2 for this one. But sometimes it don't even report to 2, it only report to 1. So think of it like that. Simple as that. Kickoff helped me a lot when I had problems with my credit in terms of like my utilization and things like that. And I need some additional reporting. They helped my credit score went up in a lot of clients too. So I wanted to make sure I just talk a little bit more about the Kickoff because, I do say sometimes that I don't necessarily like Kickoff. And that's only because I would rather you guys get a secure card with Capital One, Navy Federal, those like that, Capital One, all of those will graduate to an unsecured credit card. But usually, if you're trying to get any credit card that's not trying to check your credit, that's because your credit is bad. Okay. And if your credit is bad, then you don't have options. So if you don't have any options at all, Kickoff got your back. Okay. Put it on there, see what's going to happen. If you don't like it after 2 to 3 months, maybe you'll be able to cancel it. Plus, they got a $10 account on here too, an installment account. So do the installment account if anything, because there's no fees with that one. And I did it. I got my money back and everything was good. So definitely check that out. Now, the next one is going to be First Progress. So First Progress can give you a $200 credit card. They don't care about your credit, okay? These companies don't necessarily care about your credit. You are going to have to put down a deposit on this card. Is going to be between $200 and $2,000. That's the amount you can put down for a deposit. But to me, I will only try to put down like the lowest for something like this because it don't graduate. So to me, it don't make any sense to put down more. Sometimes I know when I did the Open Sky, I put down $1,000. So let me throw that out there too. I'm saying put down $200, and it don't matter. So if you can put down more, put down more. Basically, if you can't, put the $200 down. And make sure you don't spend more than 5% on that credit card. Just let it report every month until you can get some other credit cards, and then you can use those how you want. These are just starter credit cards. These are not credit cards that you're going to just be relaxed with. And when I say relax, you holding balances on them, you're doing bad habits early on, okay? You just want to make sure you spend 5% on any of these credit cards, pay it back every month, pay the statement balance by the due date, and leave it at that. If you want to spend more, you could, but it's the basics. Just pay your statement balance by your due date and not report more than 5%. It should build your credit. Now, another one I love is Self, because Self is not going to check your credit at all either. With Self, you have an installment account that you have to sign up for, and that installment account is here. So they have 4 different plans, and I used to do this account when it was only for 1 year. So understand, you're making a 2-year commitment to pay. For example, if I was to do any of them myself, I would probably just do the $25 per month for the 24 months. Again, it's based off how much money you have coming in. You can make a greater commitment of saving this total amount. Basically, the total payment is 600, 800, 1100, 3600. Then if you know that you can be okay with saving that amount, you can go up. But the goal with this whole thing too, you guys, and I want to make sure I stress this, the goal is to pay on time. If y'all get a late payment with Self or any of these credit cards, y'all credit gonna be worse. I don't mean to laugh, but I did that before, so I can laugh because it's like y'all don't want to mess up. So make sure you pick something where for sure I'm paying $25 per month for 24 months. I don't care what happened. I'm doing that. That's simple. That's something that you guys will want to pick. Okay. That's something that you guys will want to pick. But pick one. Once you get this account, you're able to get that Visa card. So let me actually see. I went too fast. Here we go. Get started. So they have a Visa card. Oh, look like they want to get my information just to look at it. No. Learn more. I click get started. So with this one, what you have to do is you got to make 3 monthly payments on that account I just showed you. You have to have $100 or more in your saving progress. That's how much you have saved. So if it's $25, you need to do at least 4 months. You got to wait 4 months for this because you got to have $100 in your saving progress. You got to add and update your income and expenses. That should be something very, very simple. And then make sure that your account is in good standing and keep it that way. So you got to you can't just start messing up right away and then, try to get this account. They may tell you no, but they're not going to give you a credit check to give you this account once you follow these 4 things. And it's very simple. The top 2 is, to me, the main ones you should be thinking about, because if you making 3 monthly payments on time, how can your account not be in good standing? So if you just handle these 2 things at the top, just tell what your income and expenses is, they're going to give you the card. The goal is, you guys, just make sure that you never have any late payments. It's set up on auto pay. All of your credit cards, always set them on auto pay. And I'm talking to you guys from somebody that was bad with late payments, and is not being organized. Okay. So definitely make sure you have everything set up on auto pay and then go back to make sure it's paid. Now on my website, Rickita.com, for those people that do got bad stuff on your credit, please make sure you guys check out my free dispute letters that I have. And there's a credit card list on there, some credit cards that I really like. If you have certain accounts like bankruptcies, charge-off collections, student loans, or late payments, get this package of letters, send them certified to the credit bureaus, and I can use letters to send to the actual company. Say if you got like middling on your credit, you'll get the collection letter. It's one to go to the credit bureaus, and it's actually one to go to the actual company. Send them certified. Start getting them accounts removed from your credit reports. It's only $27 for a package of 6 letters. Come on now. It's no reason. I make it like it's no reason why you should still have it. Now, I have some different lists of credit cards. The list that I really like is the pre-qualified with no hard inquiry. We also have like the best credit cards for bad credit. This is really my second list that I like, especially for the people that I have that I talk to a lot in terms of trying to build their credit. So those are the top lists when you're trying to build your credit. That's where y'all start at. And then also you can go to like some of my top credit cards. The best credit cards for gas, rewards, cash back, travel, to build credit. I have those lists, and I want to put one on here because I'm looking for right now 0% APR credit card. That's something I actively search for as like my new thing. I want to get rewards, and I want you to give me 0% APR when I first come to you. That means I could just hold a balance on the card. So that's something I really, really like. But definitely check this out. And you guys, I rarely talk about this, but you guys can still get the 6 months of free letters. All you have to do is just follow these steps. You have to buy the Mega Dispute Letter package, but I'm giving you 65% off of that. That means you get all of the letters, like all of these letters. Well, not this utilization sheet, but all of these letters, you get this in that package. And you're getting the 65% off. So just do that. Get a trial with Aura, get a trial with Identity IQ. Aura is just a free trial. That's so you guys can see if you have any type of identity theft on your credit reports. And then Identity IQ, so we can get your credit report. So it's going to be $1 for the first 7 days. And then make sure you do an application with us so you have your information. And then we'll do the 6 months of free letters for you, and we email them to you. All you got to do is print them out. Understand your personal information will be on them, so safeguard them. Just print them out and mail them. That's all. Just print them out and mail them and see what end up happening. So this is something that I suggest that you all sign up for. Just print them out and mail them. And let me know if you guys have any questions. I have a lot of different blogs on here that you guys can check out. I really talk about that part of it, but I want to make sure I tell you guys different resources because you're kind of seriously, if you just file bankruptcy, you're at the bottom of credit. Now you got to build your way up. So I do have resources available for you all. But I hope that this helps. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.